How to do immediate payment on FNB app to Capitec. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can do immediate payment on FNB app to Capitec. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the FNB app and log in with your username and password. Once you log in, go to the payment section on the app's main screen. Now select once off payment if you're paying to new Capitec account, or recipients if the Capitec account is already saved in your list. After that, once you select, enter the Capitec account number of the recipient and confirm their details, such as their name and their account type. Once you have done that, you have to enter the payment amount you wish to send. And then choose immediate payment to ensure the funds are transferred instantly. Note that payment or immediate payments may incur additional fees. Now review your payment details carefully to ensure that they are correct. Once verified, confirm the payment and authorize it using your app's security code or biometrics if enabled. Now the funds will reach the Capitec amount or account within minutes. And that's how you can do immediate payment on FNB to Capitec. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.